Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to fix BoostOne app not working. To start, open your settings application in your mobile device. Once you are in settings, this time locate apps. Open apps, and then use the search bar once again, and then search for Boost app or Boost. Once you find it, wait for it to finish fully loading. And then here, click on storage. First, clear data or clear cache, whichever one works. And then you can now exit storage. In here, you can close everything as well. Now the next step is to open and locate your Google Play Store. In here, use the search bar and then look for Boost. Just search for BoostOne. Now once you locate BoostOne application in your mobile device from Google Play Store, all you have to do is either download or update or reopen or reinstall the application. Once done, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.